Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're going to show you a comprehensive guide on how to change or edit your username in Telegram. Let's dive in. Step 1. Open the Telegram app on your device. Locate the Telegram icon and tap on it to launch the application. Step 2. Once you're inside Telegram, find the 3 stacked lines in the top left corner of the screen. Give them a quick tap to access the main menu. Step 3. From the menu options, tap on Settings. You can easily spot the Settings option as it's represented by a gear icon. Step 4. Inside the Settings page, navigate to the Account section. Once there, tap on your username to proceed with changing or editing it. Step 5. Now, you can make the desired changes to your username. Feel free to type in a new username that suits your preference or update the existing one. Once you're satisfied with the changes, tap on the checkmark icon located in the top right corner to save your updated username. Congratulations! You have successfully changed or edited your username in Telegram. Enjoy expressing your unique identity within the Telegram community. By following these simple steps, you can easily modify your username in Telegram and keep it up to date with your personal preferences or any changes you wish to make. We hope this comprehensive guide has been helpful in assisting you with changing or editing your username in Telegram. If you found this video informative and useful, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. Thank you for watching. We appreciate your support. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Enjoy customizing your username in Telegram, and stay tuned for more exciting content.